Good morning. So I'm in my kitchen and I'm going to make breakfast for myself, and that is going to be a very easy thing. I'm making oats, which I'm going to show you. So here my oats, I have added a little bit of water and milk and it's getting ready. So I don't know how much I made. It looks too much for me, and my fruits are ready to be chopped. So let's do that. I have placed my mobile. Now let us do our work. Today is Sunday, but I decided to have an easy breakfast because I have so many work to be done. I have already done some. Let's cut some apples, pieces of apple. I'm making so that I can add to my oats. One of the easiest breakfast I think is the oats. But I like having oats. So in you go. Now with the pomegranate. Oh, I have something to show you. This container itself is a pomegranate. See. Look at the pointed end. It's a cute one. Now back to our work. Wow. It's a good one. I have already completed cleaning the house. Oh yes, I changed the bed cover and I have used one of my bed covers which I had purchased recently. The pomegranate is it's very juicy, nice. I bought it from the fruit seller, the regular one from whom I bring. So here we go. This is it. this is going to be enough. Now with the banana, let's see what I'm going to do. Just a minute, I'll check whether my porridge is ready or not. Yes, it is. So here it is, all ready. I turned off the gas so that it cools down a bit. Here we go. And my bowl is ready. This is the bowl that I'm going to use. Before that, let's do a little bit of chopping of the banana, sorry, not bananas. It's a nice one, no black spots. So here we go. Nice. So here is my bowl. Let me dry my hands. Okay, now I'm going to put my oats into this bowl. So here we go. I think the bowl has become quite big for the porridge. So here we go. This is my towel sometimes, you know. So this is going to be my breakfast for today. Wow. Now I'm going to add in my fruits. Before that, a little bit of honey. I'm going to check where it is. Checking my honey. Yes. Wow. This is the honey. This is going to be enough. Now let's add the bananas. Wow, it's looking so colorful. And I'm going to have this today. So my food is already here and I'm going to have a healthy breakfast today. And oh, this is how my bed cover looks. Just a minute, I'm going to show you. And this is the pillow cover. See how nice it is looking. I hope you all liked my choice. Let's have the breakfast. Here is my bowl of porridge, oats porridge. So I'm going to have this now. Let's add in the pomegranate as well, and that is going to make the food porridge more tasty. This is how it looks. I don't know how many of you all like oats. Actually, it's quite hot. Apple is also sweet. These are crochet roses. These are roses which are crocheted, and this is not going to wither. I have a video on how we can make this beautiful rose, so you can check that if you want to learn, that is. Today it's bright and sunny outside. So I'm going to complete my breakfast before I start off with other work. I still have many things to do. So let me eat. I'll catch up with you later. Bye.
So here we are at Veda Circle, and the decoration for Christmas is so beautiful. So enjoy. Mine. So here my younger cousin and I are in one of the stores, and I'm helping my younger cousin choose a gift.
But that doesn't have a collar.
Our niece, whose birthday is today actually, but will be celebrated on the 25th. And it's enjoyable to go through the dresses that is hanging. So I was checking. Actually, this is a new store that we visited today. Agropolis Mall to visit the weekly Gorkhe Haat. So yes,
के लेको डुकु डुकु
कति भयो मेरो
ल गरिदिएको छु एकछिन अनलाइन सानो छुमा नि खाएको
Let's talk about plants. Similar jade is the quantity. There was a whole lot of succulents, but it didn't attract me. These are just the common varieties. A lot of quantities were there. That's the Christmas cactus. But the colors were not appealing as such. That's the acacia. Looks like cherries hanging. It's a beautiful plant. That's poinsettia again, the pink variety. This is the rose which my younger cousin also has in her balcony. It's a beautiful one. Right.
सेतो खोजेको ट्याक्कै पाइनौ
Is the peperomia
कति भन्नुभयो
beautiful plant. I think this is the cobra plant. That's the peperomia again. This is the zizi plant, the green variety.
अनि सेतो भएको
That's the maranta.
कलरहरू छैन अरू
Striped one, this one.
यो यतिकै
Again, a
बस्छ
whole lot of
अझै
poinsettia.
गडा भएर जान्छ होला यसमा अर्को कलर छैन
That's the variegated jade. And this is the monstera. High constellation, most probably. This is the one. It's a beautiful plant, has been costly. I didn't ask the price. This is fat dog. So thank you for staying till the end. If you all have liked the video, do give a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family members. If you are new to our channel, do consider subscribing and stay tuned for interesting videos. So till we meet again, it's bye for today.